Jake here for American Trucks, and in this video we're taking a look at the Raxium Axial Series LED third brake light with red lens fitting 2007 to 2013 Silverado and Sierra 1500s. If you're looking for an easy way to upgrade your third brake light, whether it's for looks, safety, or the sake of replacing your original one, then this one is going to appeal to you. It features an OEM type red lens, quality construction, and a couple of other cool features that make it really an excellent option, especially considering that the price far undercuts a lot of other options out there for these trucks. A third brake light is a necessary safety item, but that doesn't mean that it has to be boring, and Raxium certainly delivered that here. The outside ring of this light functions as your brake light and lights up a really nice bright red when you step on the brakes. You also have an inline switch in the back here that allows you to select between your standard on-off setting and a pulsing setting that's going to pulse the light 5 times when you hit the brakes and then remain on for the duration of the time that you have the brake pedal depressed. So you're able to switch this up depending on your mood or your usage. Now, between the pulsing option and the LEDs themselves, this one definitely won't be missed by other motorists out on the road. And the center portion here that you can see very clearly also functions as your bed light with these super bright white LEDs. So you're able to retain that function and have some enhanced lighting in the back as well for hauling stuff in the dark. This is a full LED setup, so there are no incandescent bulbs to worry about here, meaning that this is going to have a nice long life. You don't have to stress over replacing those bulbs. And again, they're going to be much brighter than what you get from the factory. The housing is all constructed from OEM grade plastic, and components are weather sealed to keep out dirt and moisture, plus you've got that nice red polycarbonate lens. Polycarbonate is strong and clear, and it should look good for a long time to come. And since this one has the red colorway as well, it makes for a pretty subtle, near factory looking upgrade versus your stock one. So only those who are really paying attention are going to notice this until, that is, you hit the brake pedal. Pricing is going to come in right in the middle of the pack at about $80. Certainly cheaper than an OEM replacement, and this one has some really nice upgrades versus the less expensive options as well. Now, I'm a big fan of anything that makes a visual and functional improvement for less than $100, so needless to say, I am a fan of this one. It looks good, it feels good, it's really bright, you've got the option to switch it up for that pulsing setup, and it really just works well, especially for a price that comes in under $100. So needless to say, I'm a big fan of this one. Installation, as you would expect, is also quite simple. Coming in at a 1 out of 3 on our difficulty meter, it should really only take you about 15 minutes to complete. This is a plug and play install, so there's no wiring, cutting, or splicing needed. It means you can easily return to your stock unit too if you want to do that. Basically, this is just going to plug right in, you do up a couple of screws, and that's the end of it. So with that, let's throw it over to one of our AT customers who's going to walk you through that install process now. The tool used for this installation is a Phillips head screwdriver.
Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to install this third brake light. So first you're going to need a Phillips head screwdriver, and there's going to be 2 screws. Once you get that off, there's going to be a little clip right here. You're going to push down on it and pull out. After that, you got your new brake light. You're going to plug this in. Just like so. Make sure your switch is on. And that's going to be it.
That's going to wrap it up here for our review and install of the Raxium Axial Series LED third brake light with the red lens, fitting 2007 to 2013 Silverado and Sierra 1500s. Thanks so much for watching, and as always, for all things Silverado and Sierra, be sure to keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.